focus to what's happening in Kerala. The Pinarayi Vijayan government, viewers, has halted preparations for the so-called Kerala Kumbh or Mahamagh festival, citing environmental concerns. Revenue authorities issued a stop memo ordering organizers to halt construction of a temporary bridge, saying provisions of the Sand Act 2001 were violated. And we have now some breaking inputs as well on this decision by the government. What we are witnessing is a war of words now as the festival preparations have been halted. BJP is raising questions on Pinarayi Vijayan government. BJP is claiming that the left government has an anti-Hindu bias. BJP has slammed Kerala government for this particular move. Listen into this reaction from Shehzad Poonawalla. Okay, we'll be playing out that reaction for you in just a bit, but BJP clearly coming down heavily on the Pinarayi Vijayan government on the decision that the left government in Kerala has taken. It has decided to stop the preparations for Mahamagh festival, which is also in a way called as Kerala Kumbh. Now, the government has cited environmental concerns for halting the preparations. Revenue authorities, in fact, following the directions of the government, issued a memo ordering organizers to completely stop the construction of the temporary bridge that was supposed to happen earlier, saying provisions of the Sand Act 2001 were violated. Before I get you the reactions from BJP, let's go across to my colleague Arpita joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Arpita, can you take us through the reasons that have been cited by Kerala government? Is it happening for the first time?
Well, the Kerala government has said that the bridge construction has violated the Kerala river banks and regulations of removal of Sand Act 2001. And they have also claimed that there was no prior approval that was obtained for using heavy machinery. And that is the reason that they have issued memo to stop the construction of the bridge now. But the organizers, on the other hand, are saying that long back when they had decided on the dates to conduct the Kumbh festival, they had asked for permission. They had followed all the procedure to start the construction. Only after getting a nod from the authorities, they had started construction of the bridge. But last moment, just days before the Kumbh festival, the government asked to stop construction of the bridge.
Right. Well, I think there's some problem with the audio line out there, but we got an idea of, why this decision has been taken. Arpita, thank you for the moment for joining us with your inputs. Let's now listen into this reaction we've got from the Bharatiya Janata Party.
The left government has an anti-Hindu character, and it has shown it time and again. From Sabrimala gold loot to Sabrimala ghee loot, and now when the Mahamagh festival is being restarted after so many years, the Britishers have stopped it. This is what everybody calls as the Kumbh Mela of the South. It is a very important tradition. Now the left government, deliberately citing certain concerns, quote unquote, is trying to sabotage the entire event, and a stop memo has been given to the organizers. How long will they have this anti-Hindu character? We have seen that Sabrimala gold loot, both left and UDF were involved in this loot and sacrilege. They only want to do insult of Hindu Astha.
So BJP has called it an attempt to insult Hindu Astha. Now, this particular festival, viewers, was supposed to happen from 18th of January till 3rd of February. And now what we are witnessing is a controversy that has erupted because of the decision that has been taken by the left government. Organizers, meanwhile, are also alleging deliberate sabotage here. Organizers claim that the move amounts to discrimination against the Sanatan traditions in the state. We'll slip into a very, very short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.